Delloons Pro Tips. Here is a quick and easy way to create a special birthday backdrop using two Pro Tapes products. We will begin by using Pro 714 painter's tape to create 3 horizontal lines across our wall. This will serve as a protective layer to ensure that our wall does not get any damages with our backdrop fringes curtains. Add in your fringe curtains to the bottom row of the painter's tape. To add your balloon garland, we will be using Pro Gaff tape. Create a hashtag attachment method on the top 2 rows of your painter's tape and use a 260 balloon to attach your garland. It is that simple. In just a few minutes, and with the help of Pro Tapes, you can have a photo-ready backdrop for any celebration. Let us know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video and follow for more.